Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 251. 251, yeah, dude, that's been a lot of episodes. Technical analysis, crypto, and stocks. Now, what is up, guys? Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me again. If you're catching this from live and you have any suggestions, you can leave us a comment. If you're catching the replay, you also have any suggestions, also leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us in the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to amazing articles I will cover here. Oh no, I sent out two little things up here. Now they're gonna take forever to go out, right? They just load slower for some reason. Anyways, thank you for joining us again. Discord link in the description, and Twitter link in the description. You can also engage with us there. We're very somewhat active on Twitter. I don't tweet a lot. I try to tweet once or twice a day, maybe a little bit more. But if someone sends me a message, I will reply. Jake, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. And Jill Torian, what is up, bro? Jill Torian, you're about to get gain status here on the oh, you're not on the Discord right now, I think. Are you on the Discord? Yeah, here you are. Yeah, since you've been here the last couple of days, I'll just make you a trooper. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see that pre-streams request and make requests. Yay, isn't that great? Bitcoin Jack, I'm on Twitter all day, every day, basically. Yeah, dude, I know. You reply very quickly on Twitter, and you're always tweeting, dude. I'm amazed at how you do that. If I were to do that with my real-time job, or my real-life job, I'll probably get fired if I'm on Twitter all the time, dude. So, yeah. Let's go check out the technicals. What is happening today? Oh no, what's going on, dude? Right? We managed to get above that 20%, right? Which is good, right? The 20% moving average on the Bollinger Bands, which is great. Now we are rejecting that 50% retrace, right? Which is good. Look, we just hit a wall here, right? Look at all those wicks came out here, wicked. It topped out at 337 billion. Here it topped out at 337 billion, and here it topped out at 337 billion. All just with changes, right? This is 337.85, 137.17, and 337.15, right? So again, topping out here, right? It looks like every time we get to that area of 237 billion, we reject. So again, trying to go for that 50 right now. We're getting pullback. Let's hope we are able to hold on to that 20. That will be great for market cap. Andrew, what's up? What's my job, dude? My job right now is doing business development. So that means I go out with clients and drink and have fun and dinners and lunches. And it's great, dude. I can't complain. I'm also doing two other jobs that are not mine to do. But since we have no people there... Steve S., Ethereum is stupid and you hate it. That's all you have to say about it. Dude. It went up. You closed your short yesterday, Steve. Why are you mad? But Steve, why are you so mad? Try to understand that we do want you as a fan, right? Oh, that's from Stan Eminem. I don't have an operations manager right now, so I'm also doing the operations management part of the thing, right, for the whole country, or for my area, but the whole country. And also I'm doing a little bit of the back office work, so because we lost that person and it hasn't been replaced yet, right? So yeah, I get my hands full at work right now. But it's fun, dude. Before this, I used to be a trader for, I used to work at a financial institution as an advisor to the director of markets and securities. And before that, I was a head trader for Market Investments in Mexico, which is a commodities company. And before that, I was a junior trader at Glencore, which was the largest trading company, the largest physical commodities trading company in the world. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of stuff. Steve, it's all fun. You want to catch a big short this morning? No, dude. We had that bullish divergence, dude. That's why Ethereum went up. We're going to check that out, though, in a second. Let's, all right, cool. So we're going up again, rejecting that 50% line. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. What's happening there? Dude, losing dominance finally, right? We gained some yesterday, 0.49. Today, losing 0.85% of market cap. How much are we losing? 0.86. Yeah, 0.86%. And sitting at 60.77% of market cap. Where's Bitcoin at? Well, it was doing so good until a couple minutes ago when it dropped below 11,000. Right now, it's sitting at 10,928.31. Are we going to get some kind of pullback? Man, I'm not sure, dude. Let's check this out real quick, though. Right, for sure, here we have some kind of hidden bullish, right? You'll see that in a second. I usually don't run analysis on dominance. This particular, I really don't believe it has an impact on the price, right? Dominance is just how much market share you have, not how much you're really dominating in price, right? And we noticed that with Bitcoin, the less market share it has, the better it does. But today is certainly deciding to go south a little bit. Again, Bitcoin at 10,934. Did some stuff going on in the chat. What? We're not 1%. NIM, please. Yeah, we're going to look at NIM. I think the dominance will move sideways for a while, maybe. I want it to drop more. You like NIM, Andrew? Yeah, I think Andrew likes NIM. He requests it every day. Every day, man. Steve, as you're also holding some, dude. I'm actually not holding any NIM. I should get into NIM, probably. A lot of y'all are into NIM. I just haven't really gotten into that project. Oh, snap. What did I do? There we go. So, first request of the night is NIM, I think. Nimic. I'm just going to make sure that's the first. Yeah, it's the first request. Awesome. Alright, so what is Bitcoin doing, man? Okay, we had this strong bullish here, right? That small, strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside, that's great. Now high, lower high, right? Positive, less positive. Positive, less positive. High on their side, lower on their side. We really don't have a lot going on here, right? Sitting neutral at 51.86 on the RSI. So let's go to the 4 hour because it's really not doing much right now. Yeah, all the clues we're going to get are going to be on the shorter time scales. But look at this also. I just want to point this out. Ethereum came very, very close to at 11,120, right? And we rejected. And we know that it's a resistance from before, right? We faced it here, right? Look at that. Rejecting that 11,000 for at least for 3 days until we got above it. So, and even before that, it's been resistance also, right? So again, we're dealing with a sort of strong resistance there, 11,000. We did get to a high of 11,101. So quite close, about about $20 off, right? So, you know, it's not bad. You know, no, we don't have bad resistances and supports, right? So our horizontals are solid. We know that because look at this. We ran the whole thing, right? The bottom part, right, to that 10,800 or 10,600, sorry, and then all the way up, right? We managed to get above the 20. Remember how yesterday we were fighting for this 20? And I said if we get above, we would certainly try to test 10,800. If we get above that, we're very likely going to hit 11,120. Well, we already hit that. Right now we're getting pullback. We're going to check on the shorter time scales. I do believe we have strong bearish divergence developing on a couple of them, right? We had strong bearish divergence to here as we were hitting that support, right? And we talked about that. We were here live on this red candle, right? And we worked down. That was fine. We started to get pullback during the stream, remember? We're starting to pull back up on that red candle, which we did by the time we closed this candle, this 7 p.m. candle, which closed at around 11 or so. We had gotten pullback, and then we started to go slightly higher, and that's great. We managed to get above that 10,800. Then again, go all the way to the top right now, getting pulled back. What is happening here, right? Well, if I were to go from this island to this new high here, right, it would just be an extension of this line. I would just be going there, right? And that would be strong bearish divergence. But since we have it within the same island, you know, I'll just also acknowledge that here. And go like that, any shorter drawing here, right? And say that we also have that slant divergence. And say, look, man, potential action. Not potential, action to downside. That's what the strong bearish divergence tells us, right? Action to downside. So possibly we're moving down. Very likely maybe a retest of 10,800, right? We tested it once beautifully here, right? That low hit 10,802. Sorry, 10,831. So we have it 10,837. So like $6 off again. Nothing big. Daughter's crying. I think she woke up. The wife's gonna take care of her. Yes. Wow, snap. She's crying. Huh. She'll be fine. Thanks for subscribing, Michael Bordeaux. Awesome, dude. We got a sub. Thank you, dude. I don't have my little like subs enabled for YouTube, so like no little animations come through, I guess. But 245 today, man. Yes, Andrew, 245 subs. That is awesome, bro. That's a great number to be at. I'm so glad for all y'all. So thank you all for being here for reals, guys. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Really, dude. God, that's amazing. 245. I'm actually gonna write it down, dude. At 9:16 today. 2020. That's a good milestone, dude, to hit. If we get 5 more, I'm gonna be like super stoked, dude. That's gonna be like amazing. Anyways, again, we're gonna get moving down, right? Targeting probably 10,837. That's the move. Bitcoin Jake, you just posted a DVT monetizing tweet for me? Okay. I'm not sure how I'm gonna... You're gonna let me know afterwards, dude, because I'm not getting it right now. I'm not sure what you did with that, but thanks, dude. I appreciate that. I probably should enable that CoinKit on Twitter, I guess, right? I guess, yeah, I need to enable that. And I need to enable Trollbot here on the chat. Someone came in and tried to tip Troll the other day. I'm not sure, dude. I think I need to do it. Anyways, bearish divergence moving down. We went over bot. Right now we're sitting bot at 65.03 on the RSI, so it's great. I mean, short term here, we don't have anything bearish on the RSI, right? So just everything that's happening is on the MACD. Now, moving down, like I said, 10,800. If we break that area, we have the 20 to look for as support, right? That 20 moving average is at 10,743. And then if we break that to the downside, we have 10,600. But if we manage to go up from here, right? We don't have anything on the 4 hour. The 1 hour might be developing something. But if we manage to go up from here, maybe a retest of 11,120 wouldn't be weird. And if we break that, look, if we break this, it's pretty much a straight shot up here, right? Like, there shouldn't be any resistance to get to 11,453. That would very likely be the next target. And that would be awesome if we get back on those levels, right? Again, I was expecting a movement down still to close that lower gap. A lot of people say it's overrated, that gap on the CME. Yeah, dude, I tend to agree. There's a lot of chatter on that gap. Not all gaps get filled all the time, right? If Bitcoin just keeps on rising, you're just going to leave that gap there. It's okay, right? We determined it was a breakaway gap and that we could leave that open, right? If we break 11,120, we'll be super strong. Dude, not super strong, but certainly we'll be on this path to maybe retest or regain this area, right? It's looking good again. It's still all upsloping, right? We had bearish divergence. We haven't gotten a real breakdown. We just got one here, a small one right here. As you can tell, that small dip, which we'll regain a couple 4-hour candles later. But right now, I'll be expecting a movement down, right? At least something, right? Because you know, if we just go up here again, we'll probably go parabolic, and that's going to bring us a strong pullback. I don't want to get us to get a lot of strong pullback. I'm much rather get there slowly, right? In a concise manner with good supports. That way, it's going to hold on a lot stronger. Look at this, man. Look at this straight shot we took up here, right? Boom. Right? I'm just glad we managed to hold on to this support here, which we knew we had, right? We were even wicking a little bit lower. Maybe there's some support on this area. I just haven't looked at it farther back. But, you know, what we have, we managed to hold on to beautifully, right? At least on the daily, we were able to hold on to this area very, very nicely. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's going on there? Let's see, dude. What's in store for us there? Right, so on the 1 hour, right? Look, we were here. 8 p.m. we said bullish divergence. We were here last night on this weird candle, right? Heading up towards that towards a 20, remember? We said if we reject the 20, we're going to test it. If we reject, lower, right? It wouldn't be weird for us to come down here. If we manage to get above on the bullish divergence, right, we could take off and retest this area. Look, we beautifully retested that 10,800 at around 1 in the morning. Then we got above it, and then we held support there, right? Look at that. That's so nice, right? Now, like some of you could ask, dude, are we creating bearish divergence against MACD? Well, no, look at that, right? We do have this island here, and I'm going to acknowledge this as it is, right? But we do have it against the RSI. I'll just be fair there, right? This is 71.60. This is 70.40. So high, lower high, right? And look at that, right? We're going higher. So we're creating strong bearish divergence. Now we have strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour. We have strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour. The daily is cool. The daily we don't have anything. I do believe we had strong bearish here, right? Strong bearish. Look at that, right? So again, there is a motive for a movement down. We're starting to get the movement down. We tested the 20, right? That's what we expect to do. Beautiful retest of the 20. We said that every day, right? If we have bearish divergence, we're going to retest the 20, see if we hold it as support. We're breaking below it right now. That's fine. We can break below it briefly, right? Like here, right? A fake breakout to the downside. Maybe hold support and bounce. Maybe we could come down here, hold support and bounce. Or maybe just do a quick break and then try to bounce again. Maybe create some strong bearish divergence, right? It wouldn't be weird if this went to 11,120, like I said. And on that movement up here, right, it's not very high. You're going to create very little positive momentum. Look at that, man. You're just going to have strong bearish divergence. You also have it against the RSI. Now, that is a very possible move. Now, the other possibility is that we have this strong bearish divergence. We're going to move down still, right? We got to get this movement completed. Right now, we're not going to create any hidden bullish, I think, because that negative momentum is still quite low. And on the other side, we're very close to that. So we're just good, right? The only thing we have right now is a strong bearish divergence from the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So action to the downside. That's the expectation right now. Let's go and check out... what are we going to check out now? Ethereum, dude. Ethereum, because, you know, there was a lot of drama with Ethereum. Alright, let's go to the daily. Hidden bullish. Action upside. We got up, rejected the 20. We're still rejecting the 20 again. Yesterday, remember how we said we really wanted to hold support here? We're slightly breaking below it. We regained it, right? We managed to hold support at 364. Again, beautiful, right? Great stuff there. Just weakness at the 20, and I don't like that. I would love to see Ethereum get above that 20. That positive, that negative momentum dying out. Neutral on the RSI at 50.14. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, right? Moving down. Hidden bullish. Movement up. Failed to go higher. We talked about that moving down. Look here. I think we were here last night. Actually, we were here, right? We're below that area. We managed to regain it on the next 4 hour candle. Beautifully. And then look at that. Beautiful support here, right? Support, 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 support. Getting above that 20 on the 4 hour. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. That's the only thing that worries me, right? When there's tightness in the Bollinger Bands, that means that volatility has left the market. We're going to get an explosive move, and that explosive move is not going to tell us where it's going to go. It's just going to explode. That's a sad thing. So we're trying to gauge it by determining where, like, what the sentiment is, like whether or not we have divergences, what kind of pattern we're trading in, to determine whether or not that movement might go to the upside or the downside. Maybe on the fibs we're looking for a retrace, you know, things like that. But right now, do we do something here, dude? Yes, I think we made 197, 194, 184. So one lower, more negative momentum, lower on the other side. Nothing bullish here, right? We're still running off this hidden bullish. That's it. Getting pulled back here, right? And again, Bollinger Bands are there to contain, right? Most of the movements happen, or 95% of the movements happen within the Bollinger Bands. You do have outliers, right, like here, but most of the movements should be within the Bollinger Bands most of the time. Anyways, neutral at 57.18 on that RSI on the 4 hour. Again, not a lot going on right now, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, cool, we had the strong bullish divergence. Remember, we talked about that because we were even looking at this in another chart, and we were looking for these head and shoulders that Steve was spotting the head and shoulders, right? We even wrote it here. He said, Steve, it's the head and shoulders. I had a little bit of a problem with this shoulder. If you remember, I told you I'm not sure if this is going to be a valid head and shoulders, mainly because this shoulder looks too weird. This one I could have given it a shoulder. This one could be a head. But this just didn't look like a textbook shoulder, right? So we didn't even take a measure. It was within the parameters. And it's fine, dude, right? If we break 11,120, yeah, no more new comments. All right, cool. So I did say, look, man, support, 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 right? The neckline presents a support. We had the strong bullish at the neckline. We said, look, very likely we're not going to go and go lower, right? And like I said, the entry here for a short would have been breaking below the neckline, right? That would have been an entry for a short, because then there was a big chance that we're going to get that move to the downside. Now, I didn't believe this shoulder was going to be strong. You know, we just called it a possible head and shoulders. But I did know that that strong bullish divergence was going to very likely see us go to the upside. Maybe retest that 20, right? Like we said, we gained that 20 very, very nicely, right? So, Steve, dude, I'm sorry that your like short didn't play, dude. I know. I'm glad that you canceled it last night, right? I'm just sad that your short didn't play. The one you placed earlier today. But, you know, that's what I'm looking at right now, right? This is what I'm seeing, again, to the upside very nicely. Pattern invalidated, right? Now let's go to Ethereum. The other chart that we have, right? Where we have our data. Wow, snap, sorry. Today the kids are misbehaving. They just keep on turning on the light. We had that strong bullish divergence action to the upside, right? High, higher, high, higher, high, positive, more positive, more positive, right? So let's go check out the previous island. What was going on up here? High, high, lower, high. Positive, less positive. High on the RSI, right, at 67.36. Lower at 66.52, right? So don't have any bearish divergence yet. And everything that we've done has just been like really, really hit this area, right? Look at that, moving up, struggling with this area. It looks like we're gonna lose it, right? Regaining it. Man, still managing to hold to at 364 beautifully. Try to take off here, hit the 20. Broke the 20, managed to hold on to that 364 and took off, right? So again, bullishness at that support. Now, we don't have anything bearish right now, nor do we have anything else bullish developing, so we gotta wait for something to happen here. Impulse up, we gotta consolidate. Once we consolidate, we'll figure out what we're making. Again, if we start to make down sloping consolidation, which is usually what we want to see, we would expect a continuation move to the upside. If we start making up sloping consolidation, that would present exhaustion, and we would be expecting a movement to the downside, right? That would be what would be in store for Ethereum. Again, not a lot happening short term, so let's go to XRP, man. What is happening there with the XRP, man? Right, so hitting bullish, action to the upside, hitting the 20 again, managing to hold on support at, sorry, I'm still on Ethereum. There we go, XRP. Again, hitting bullish, going up, hitting that 20 finally, right? Rejecting a little bit of higher value below that 20, but we managed to get above that 24 cent area, right? That 24.62 area. The price of XRP right now at 25.28 cents. Dudes, it is a weird to be at this level for XRP, man. It should be doing much better. It's still underperforming. Gotta wait for it to really determine what it wants to do. Cheers, by the way. Hope you're having a great day. I'm having a good day, man. Today was a holiday here in Mexico. It was Independence Day, so I didn't get to work. That was pretty good. Well, I did get to attend some phone calls and like solve some issues, but you know, it was pretty mellow. So, semi-day off, let's say, for holiday. High, lower, high, positive, right? Again, not a lot going on here, right? Not a lot. High, lower, high, positive, high on the other side, lower on the other side. Well, things are good for XRP. Neutral at 48.23. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Is that an upward consolidation XRP on the daily? No, not really, dude. Jill Torian. This you mean? Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Impulse down, impulse. Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, you could kind of say it's upwards consolidation. It should get exhaustion, but you know we're not getting anything bearish happening yet. It's slightly upwards. Yeah, right, definitely. Look, we'll even highlight it with a channel. I'm not worried about this consolidation right now. Although it usually brings exhaustion and you break down, it's not what I would be expecting to see right now. This is just following the rest of the market, right? So it's just not performing as good as Bitcoin, but it's still going the same way, right? Look at that. Channel to the upside, right? But yeah, upslope consolidation, dude. For reals. Good eye. Is it hot there? Where? Mexico? No, dude. It's Mexico City is actually nice right now. Right now it's let me check if I can. It's about 61 Fahrenheit. So yeah, like it's just, it depends what 61 is for you. It might be cool, it might be hot, dude. I go outside without a jacket. I'm used to the cold. I lived in places where it like snows and freezes. Not in Mexico, dude, but like in Oklahoma and Tulsa, dude. I was there when we had this very like bad storm, dude. Like everything got frozen, like trees were on the ground, like power lines broke down. You know, it was fucking insane. I lived in Switzerland to a winter, or part of a winter, with a lot of snow, which was fun also. But yeah, dude, the lows are usually around 58 Fahrenheit and are 54 right now for this week, and the higher temps are maybe around 73, 73, right? That seems to be at the top for this week. So I'm not sure why you want to consider that weather. For me, it's like good weather, right? I don't have to worry. And it rains every night right now, so you know it's been raining consistently. So I would say not that bad, right? So for those of you like the Celsius, we're talking about like 16 Celsius right now, or 23 to 14 Celsius range, right? Or 23 to 12 Celsius range. For me, that's beautiful weather, dude. I love it. But let's go back here to XRP. Again, trying to get that 20 again. Oh my god. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. That's just nice weather. Yeah, it is nice weather, dude. Look at this nice candle on XRP, dude. What is it doing? What is XRP doing, man? No one knows what it's doing back there. Hi, dude. The only thing I can go here, we do have this positive momentum island, although it's very small. But I'll go from here, right? I'll go from here right now. On XRP, man. On the 4 hour XRP, man. And then we're going from high to lower high, right? Like that. So we're creating strong bearish divergence right now. Potential action to downside. Look at that. Look at that pullback we got here, right? It's like, oh no, man, never mind. Never mind. We managed to actually pull back higher than here. So what we were looking from back here, right, to here, now we actually have from here to here, right? Look at that. We're going to do a little switcheroo here, where we go from here to here, right, and here to here. And on that note, we're creating that hidden bullish, right? I mean, first we were looking for strong, hidden bullish, but against back here. Now we're looking for hidden bullish from here, which, you know, is still there. That's what drove us to the upside, right? We're starting to create bearish. Let's see what happens there, right? Again, maybe a retest of 24 would be weird. Bought at 64.74. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Let's see what's happening there. Look at that beautiful bullish divergence, right? We're getting pullback. We said we're gonna get pullback. Look at that, beautiful, right? Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, right? High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on the other side. How are we slightly lower from back here, though? Let's see, 77.66, 76, so slightly lower. All right, so high to lower point here. Just gonna anchor this in the 1 hour. There we go. And going from here to here, right? There we are, right? So again, strong bearish, right? Moving to the downside. We're starting to move down stronger than I would have liked. Right. I mean, I love that we have that strong bearish. We're gonna move down again, retest maybe after the 24. I did like the impulse up. I would have waited. I would like for some consolidation to happen here, but a little bit more mellow. Just give me one quick second, guys. I am back. Thank you all for sticking with me. Wow. Metal music started playing. There we go. Oh, man, this is a weird track. Sorry about that. Need to go check something out. This one should be good, I guess. Anything going on here? No, nothing on the chat, right? Everything's good, man. It's all great on the chat. Right, so moving down, right? That was what we're expecting right now. Seeing that movement coming in again. I would have loved for this to be a little bit less pronounced, right? Maybe a little bit. We're starting to flag, but probably anticipating myself here. But it really looks like we just might go down a little bit more stronger than I wanted to. I would have expected this maybe a little bit less strength here on this candle. But give us a little bit of a nicer pattern, right? But right now, sitting bought at 68.65, right? That's for XRP. Let's go check out Litecoin. You don't understand the divergence I put in? Isn't RSI higher than last high? No, it's lower, dude. Like here, it was at 77.66. Here it's at 76.79, right? There, 76.79. So 77, 76. So slightly less. I'm creating strong. Yeah, this is the 1 hour XRP. Like this one I just placed here on the RSI. That's the one I have. Yeah, no worries, man. Litecoin. Let's go check out the Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin on the daily? Hidden bullish, getting that rally, failing attempt. Sitting lower right now, sitting at $48.80. Again, not a lot happening here on the daily. Neutral at 42.42. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh no, what's happening on the 4-hour chart? Alright, we had this bullish divergence we were hunting for. We got pullback happening. Then we came here slightly lower, right? High, lower, high. 20. 13. We still have that strong bullish there, right? So we're looking for it here. We did get that rally. Rejected the 20, right? What happens when we reject 20? We move for lower areas of value. We move to lower areas of value. We're getting that bounce now. Getting above that 20, which is good. Did we get something here? 42.05. 42.17. Slightly higher here. Yeah, we also have that. All right, so we have that strong bullish divergence here as well. It's just very, very minimal. But it's there nonetheless, right? Discord for off-stream chats, pre-stream coin requests, and random rains. Yeah, dude. Yeah, there's pre-stream coin requests for those of you that are here on a daily basis, and some rains from Bitcoin Jake and other people, dude. I'm not sure who's made it rain, but yo, Jake made it rain. 166 sets. Awesome. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, it is true. What you tweeted, it is very true. Right on. So again, above that 20. Let's see if it holds. Again, if we reject that, again, maybe looking for lower areas of value. We've managed to hold on to that 20. Could be looking for higher areas of value, right? So let's go to the 1 hour. What is happening on the 1 hour Litecoin? Again, low, higher low, and then still from here, slightly higher low. So really nothing happening here. This is from another time scale. I just forgot to anchor it. Yeah, the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Right, so last thing we had was bearish, right? We moved down on that. Are we creating anything here? High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, other side, higher, high, low, positive. Dude, let's check this one out. I mean, you would have to anchor from back here though, right? High, lower, high, positive, less, sorry, positive is positive, high, lower, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, dude. Litecoin is just on like no man's land, right? It's just floating sideways. It's not really doing much. We'll just let it be right now. Again, expansion of the Bollinger Bands, right? It looks like we're going to expand them to the downside. We managed to reverse that and go to the upside right now. Flagging, moving down a little bit. Again, nothing that I can see here, right? That would be that strong divergence right now. So anything else would be, dude, maybe. I mean, we do have a break here. Do we want to respect that break? Yeah, we could, right? From here to here. Would anchor from here to here, right? Then from here to that higher point over there, right? The next, but we do have this island here also. So, see, that's where like you have to use criteria and see whether or not you want to honor. Like here we have 1 bar, but also here we have 1 bar separation. Then here 2 bar separation. So you know, I'm not gonna go from divergence to here. I'll just go from here, right? This high to this high, right? Here to here, creating hidden bearish, right? That's what I would be. That's what I would be seeing right now. Moving down again, maybe for a retest of that 20 on the 1 hour. Got 20 at $48.29. Let's go to Binance and see what Binance is doing. Binance. What is Binance doing, dude? We'll have to see some ADA. Sure, man. We can look at ADA. Just let me write it down. ADA Cardano. Yo, so let's check that out, right? All right, Binance. What do we have here in Binance? Bearish, right? We talked about that. Move down. I was expecting it to hit the 20. We didn't. Taking a bounce on divergence that we called shorter time scale. So that's fine. That's why we didn't get that move down. Again, going higher, more positive momentum. Lower on the other side right now. Sitting neutral at 59.49. So not a lot happening, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. This is from the 1 hour, I believe. Because it makes no sense where that line's at. Because it makes no sense where this line is at, right? That's from the strong bullish on the shorter time scale. We had hidden bullish. We knew we could start to do a U-turn here. That happened yesterday as we were live, right? We were still getting that pullback happening. Look, pullback, going up near that 20, rejection. Negative momentum dying out, neutral on that RSI at 49.85. Nothing happening here yet. So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, strong bullish, right? Again, same area. Pullback happening right a couple hours after we were live. We were live here at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. candle for me, right? 10 p.m. for some of you, 11 p.m. for another couple of you. So, you know, we had this divergence moving up. Again, going up, rejecting the 20, moving down a little bit. Failing to go lower than the previous low. bullishness kicked in and get above that 20, right? Now we're going slightly higher here, and we're creating bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence. High to a higher high, and we are coming down on that MACD, right? Look at that. From here to here, right? So we have strong bearish. We don't have it against the RSI. Neutral right now, 52.31. And high, lower, high. Positive, less positive. Almost positive. Let's see. 193.24. Oh, snap. No, we did have some hidden. We did get some hidden here, right? From here. Right, so positive momentum, more positive momentum. High to lower high. So we create some hidden bearish. Move this down slightly, right? Managed to hold to the bullishness we had and pumping right now. We're creating strong bearish and potential movement down coming in. Again, this didn't get that nice green bar that a lot of other projects got, right? So right now it's basically that same movement down that everyone else is getting, right? But you know, maybe a retest for the 20. We'll check it out though. Look at this nice bounce at the 20 here at 7 p.m. Nice, and then even more nice, right? So that's it for Binance, dude. We had a request for NIM, so I'll go check that out. We're gonna check out Nimic. Oh, dude, where's my NIM? Here it is, NIM. NIM to the dollar. Again, bullish, right? We gapped down on the opening. That's weird for some projects, but you know, not too bad though. Low, lower, low, right? On the RSI, sold at 31.70, but we still have that strong bullish right now for this, right? Can we look at euro to the dollar? Yeah, dude. Someone asked that for that the other day, but yeah, we'll look at that again. No, it was pound, euro to the pound, I think, or something like that. But yeah, we'll check out euro to the dollar. So let's do NIM. What's happened with Nimic? NIM going slightly, again, starting to go up today. Slightly, again, strong bullish divergence, waiting for it to kick in. Nothing on the RSI, unfortunately. Sold at 31.71. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we had strong bullish divergence, waiting for that movement up to happen. We are going up, but we're really failing to take off, and that's not the best indicator that you want to see when you're looking for strong bullish divergence, right? Now, on this last movement down, right, on this very, very last move here, right, we have the strong bullish divergence from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence, finally also getting it against the RSI. Waiting for the movement to go up. We haven't gotten it yet. Here we got near the 20, we're rejected. Here we're trying to go for that 20 again. Let's see what's going to happen here. And sitting neutral at 41.08. Again, not really confident on this project yet, right? On that note, let's go to the 1 hour. Well, the 1 hour. Again, you know, we had the strong bullish, right? Look at this, is weird. We gapped up and then we like ate the market down. So, you know, we did get to a 20 after we called the bullishness yesterday live. What is this? 162, 160. Right, so even from here to here on the 1 hour, right? Strong bullish, right? So strong bullish divergence, price action to the upside, and then we did move up again, right? But again, it's really not taking off strongly. Nothing here against the RSI, right? And then since then we just have not made any new lower lows, and everything's higher. So there's nothing bullish here after that, right? So we had the strong bullish, that's great. Now what are we creating? Let's see if we're creating anything here. We might be creating some bearishness. Let's see, or some bearish divergence. 55.89, 54, 55, 54, slightly lower, right? Nothing high, lower, high, nothing here. High, lower, high again. I don't like these moves though. This project's seen at 0.002 cents, so 0.2 cents. High, lower, high, positive, high on the RSI, lower on the RSI. Again, not a lot to go on right now, right? We have the strong bullish. We should be taking off, but it's just failing. I'm not sure why it's failing to take off. It's just not what I would be expecting to see. Just one quick second, guys. Dude, sorry guys about that. Dude, kids are being super mean today, man. They've been fighting all day. They're refusing to like go to sleep, dude. They just keep turning on the light. The wife like basically came in and like called for help. Like, dude, it was like they're not going to bed. Can you like help me with that? So I like had to crack down the law, right? Just basically tell them like go to bed. Dude, insane. Kids are cool though. How about try the candlestick pattern indicator on TradingView? It's pretty neat. Which candlestick pattern indicator? Yeltorian, sorry man, I'm not sure which one you're referring to, but if you let me know, I'll let you know if I... Are you talking about Heikin Ashi candles? This one? This one? No, I'm not sure what you're talking about, bro. Look, Heikin Ashi already give you pattern trends, right? Look at this. Although anchoring points are different, you do tend to see a trend, right? And when you're doing green trends, you're basically just going to go up. When you're doing the red trends, you're going to go down. Again, here we have green, so we were expecting the movement to go up a little bit more. Heikin Ashi candles do give you a little bit of that flow, right? Look at that, all that red trend, right? All that green trend, all that red trend. Not the best ones, but, you know, I'm not sure which one you're talking about. I cannot get a lot of more indicators out here because... I'm already using what I can with the free version, right? I refuse to pay for the paid version, at least for the time being. But you know, because I don't need anything else, right? With the indicators that I have, it's good enough for me to do what I need to do. Maybe later on I can use the paid version and maybe have more indicators out, right? I'm not sure, but right now for me, what I have is what I need, right? The MACD, the RSI, the Bollinger Bands. Sometimes I want to look at supports. I have another account for that. And I just open that account and I go here and I look at, oh no, paper trading. I look at supports, right? And then I can have all of the indicators out here, but I have one that I was told to check out, the divergence indicator, right? Which happens with the RSI, which is okay, right? Here I know there's a bullish divergence, right? It says bull. And it just gives me a quick heads up that I know if I just go from here to here, I'll have that bullish divergence, right? So again, price action. The upside is a stock, it's Intelligent Inc. Look at that, man. Boom, nice, right? Again, a very, very nice move up on the 11th. How much percent is 17%, right? So yeah, there are like other but we rejected at 20, right? And you know, here I have my ribbons of bands that I look at, but again, different people, different tastes, right? Some people want to like have their charts loaded with stuff. For me, it gets cluttered enough with the lines and this, and maybe the fibs and you know. For me, it's already enough clutter. I don't need to like over clutter the charts. It basically pulls out individual candles when they are doji or engulfing or whatever else. All right, cool. Yeah, that's cool, man. I mean, not against using any of those tools, right? Just not for me right now. I'll check it out later though. If you send it to me on the Discord, I'll check out what it is, and you know, we'll see what it is. But right now, let's move on to Cardano. We're gonna check out Cardano for Steve, dude. Steve coming in for their Cardano request. ADA Cardano. Where's my Cardano? Here it is. Cardano again, below. The 50%, right? We talked about that, trying to hold on to it there. We had the bullishness, we tried to rally, but failed. Again, right now, facing resistance at that 50% retrace, right? At 0.94 or 9.4 cents. Sitting at sitting at 9.26 cents, right? So very little value here, high, lower, high, positive. Starting to make positive momentum here. Less than the previous higher, that would be this one, right? So again, nothing bearish. Nothing bearish. Sold at 37.87. Again, not doing a lot. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bullish, right? Hidden bullish, I think we called, or if we didn't call it hidden, we called like, sorry, not hidden. Yeah, if we didn't call it hidden, we called type 2. So medium bullish. Right now we're going lower with more negative momentum. Lower on the RSI rate. All things there. Get here short term. Against the RSI, right? Some strong bullish. That's about it, though. On the 4 hour chart for ADA Cardano. right? Expecting for that to go up. We're getting that moving up, hitting the 20, rejecting, not what we want to see, right? Not strong at all, right? That's bearish. Look at that long wick. Still have an hour and 6 minutes to go here. So we can start to move up again, but I don't like this, that you got pulled back so hard, dude. So, usually when you want to see this green candles, you want to see them going up higher. Long wicks to either side, that's usually an indicator of the prevailing side, right? So here would have said bullishness, right? Because look at that, we try to go lower, but like look at that large wick to the downside, and the large wick to the upside, right? That would be bearish, so we might be going for a sideways motion here. Still yet to determine. Neutral at 45.67 on their side. Let's go to the 1 hour. Here we had the bullish divergence, right? Again, we had bullish here, right? Strong. Look at that, nice moving up. We just haven't looked at Cardano. I don't think we looked at Cardano yesterday, so we're going slightly higher there. Right, we created that bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Price action to the downside, sir. There we go. And there we go, right? Bang. Then we went lower, right? From then on, it's just been moving down. Try to get to 20, lower, right? Low. More negative momentum, lower on the RSI. All things are good there. Now here, dude, here's where the magic happens. Here's where we get the candy. Right, look at that, moving down, and here we're getting this movement from here to here, right? Strong, bullish divergence. We have it here also on the RSI, so that would give us that potential movement to the upside. And that is pretty cool, right? Moving up, high, positive. From here, though, right, from way back here, we do have this island. It's 2 bars. We just get into a whole conundrum of whether or not we should acknowledge it. The high point here is 349, and here is 422, right? So if you want to ignore this island, you can say it high, lower, high, positive, more positive, hidden bearish, right? It would seem to suit the mood of what's happening, because we don't have any, or like we could say we have something from here. Technically, the previous high here would be here. So if I were to anchor from this high to this high, lower, high, right, high, lower, high, wouldn't have anything. But if you're hunting for stuff, you're desperately hunting for something, which you should never be hunting for stuff. It should like be obvious. You could say that we have hidden bearish, right? But the one I was talking about would be this one. And then it just becomes from like here to here, right? And it just becomes a question of whether or not you want to acknowledge these 2 bars as a positive momentum island, which you might choose to ignore, really, and say we have that bearishness, or that hidden bearish. But again, it's basically following the rest of the market, right? Again, impulse up, down sloping consolidation, not doing its own thing. So I'm going to remove this ones, mainly because I don't like the way they look with the chart. Candy, yeah, dude. Dude, there's a lot of chat going on. Basically, points in individual. Okay, cool. Bitcoin Jake, boomboxing or box mining going live in 5 minutes. Might be jumping around, stream some. All right, are you doing something with box mining, dude? Are you like a mod there also? And then Jill Torrance saying it's a beautiful thing. Cryptic, how's it going, dude? On the Fang, 1 hour. Rising burning wedge might break soon. Next 2 days look bearish. All right, let's check that out, dude. We'll check out Fang. Fang will be after the euro to the dollar, so that's the next request. Yo, dude, Cryptic, thanks for joining me tonight, man. Awesome for you of you to be here, man. Really appreciate that. So, all right, that bullishness, right, going up again. Like I said, dude, again, it just becomes a thing here whether or not you want to acknowledge this. If you want to acknowledge this as an island, right, these 2 bars. Then you don't have anything. If you do want to, then you go from here to here, and then from here to here, right? You have hidden bearish divergence. So, you know, that would be the way to see it. Again, I do believe this island has validity, right? It gave us that movement down so we could have these 2 island separation, have that strong bullish. So why should I ignore it if it gave me that separation that I needed? So I'm going to acknowledge it, and I'm going to get rid of this here, right? Now, the other way you could look at it, like I was saying, you could technically go from here to here, right? Because it's technically higher than the lower high. But, dude, I would feel much comfortable if I were anchoring from the previous high on the RSI. That would be this area here, right? Again, this would give you hidden bullish, but if I go to this area here and anchor back here again, I don't have anything. But I do believe Cardano might just do its own, follow the rest of the market. Again, I'll just leave this one here. You know, I do believe we have some kind of bearish divergence at play. The rest of crypto has some bearish divergence at play, and it's moving it down. So this would seem to fit the bill with the other projects. That's gonna be it for Cardano, dude. Let's go check out euro to the dollar. Euro to the dollar. Let's go on that, dude. Why not? $1.17, dude. We had looked at this before. Yay! I picked one that we had. Dude, we had a triangle pattern here we're looking for, right? Potential break to the upside. Maybe get a measure move. We didn't get the measure move. That's fine. We were looking for bearish divergence here last time we looked, and that was probably, I'm not sure when. When did we look at this? Right, a couple days ago. September 9th, right? Hidden bullish. Action to the upside, right? Moving up. Now, dude, we're starting to create some strong bullish now. Against the RSR, against MACD. Dude, look at that. Here to here. It's very tiny. That should anchor to the red candle. There we go. There we go. And then I'm looking at this right now, right? That move there. Strong bullish. And going lower in the RSI, so really nothing there. If you wanted to ignore this last portion, right? This last bit here. Against the RSI, since you're still making a higher, previous high here, right? So from low, higher low, right? You could go all the way there and say, look, hidden bullish still there. It is valid. It's legit. You're going from the previous low, so tracking same touch points there. But again, it's just entirely up to you, right? With me, I'm comfortable with saying that we have it here also against the RSI, and it's strong against the MACD. Now let's just go with that right now, right? He gave you mod last stream. That's awesome, Jake. Dude, you're modding like 1,000 channels, bro. I'm not sure how you manage all those channels. Dude, guys, thank you all for being here, by the way. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. It's so amazing to have you all here and being part of this awesome community and this awesome stream. Dude, euro to dollar. That's going to be, dude, I'm not going to go into short time scales for this. Mainly on the account that currencies that don't like do options trading for them. 1.176 looks like they support there also. Maybe, dude, I'm not sure, dude, right? We've hit that area here. We did dip slightly below. It could be an area of support, right? Again, this coin has a lot of data rich, so it's very data rich, this coin, right? It has like what, 20 years of like existence, right, on the euro. So yeah, we do know that we've hit that area, or at least things within this general area, right? Let's say 1.18 to 1.1735. So that would be a rectangle that I would maybe draw and say this is an area where we can find support and resistance, right, all through it, and handle it that way. Because I'm not gonna pinpoint it right now, right? I would have to go and look for many targets, and I would probably very much likely do it on the weekly, or maybe on a daily, but it would take me a long time to go that far back. But right now we're gonna leave it as is. Yes, there could be support at this area. I agree with you. Let's go check out Fang. Cryptic said on the Fang 1 hour. Yeah, no worries, Jill Turn. The Rising Burning Wedge might break soon. Alright, let's go check out that Rising Burning Wedge. Because we had this hidden bullish, right? It's still play, right? And if we manage to go lower, which we're doing right now, I would just change my anchoring point to there. And again, that hidden bullish that we had here kind of raised us a little bit, right? Again, but I would just like change targets, right? Because we're still having it, right? Still going lower as we're still higher, so why not, right? And even short term on the daily. I don't want to go such short term on the daily, but this is just like 3 candles. From here to here, we're going slightly lower, and from here to here, we're going again with a less. But then even some strong bullish there, right? So just something to look at. This might go down to tomorrow with trading, but whatever. Let's go short time. So let's go to the 4 hour. I think I looked at anything here on the 4 hour. Trying to see what we have here. We had bearish divergence before that movement down again. Calling things in retrospect, like I say, it's always easy, right? It's easy when you see, oh, we had this and that's why that happened. But when you want to get the flow of how things are going, it's good to look at like things farther back, right? That way you get like the flow of how the project is coming along, what the trend looks like, how the feel like for the patterns is coming along. That's pretty cool. Geotron, hidden bullish, bearish, can be created either on either the RSI or the MACD, right? Yeah, dude. Any bullish or any bearish can be created on the MACD or the RSI. A lot of people just prefer to use it against the MACD. Some people like to do it even against volume, and that's fine. I don't like to do divergence against volume. You know, to each their own, right? I'd rather go with indicators of strength or the moving average convergence divergence, right? The MACD. So here on the 4 hour though, right? If I may be so candid as to draw those lines, I'll go from there to there and then from here to here, right? So some hidden bullish, right? That'll be my first way of looking at this, right? And that hidden bullish at least would have taken me to here, right? I'll just anchor it to here right now because that's the lowest point, and these all one island. But short term here on the 4 hour, strong bullish. Nothing here against on the RSI. That's fine. Sold at 38.97, and I'm gonna go look at volume. Yeah, dude, volume here, right? Volume here. Look, let me see if I can bring it up here real quick. Where do I have this? I'll show you something real quick. Snap! I'm running volume. I'm running out of like disk space. That's not good. I'm gonna have to start deleting videos for the City Crypto. All videos. Oh no, my footage. Where will it go? Looking for something here. I just want to show you something that I have. Right. So let's see if I can find something here real quick. I'm trying to find something here on the side. Is it? It might be this one. If you haven't gotten into trading, you should check out this book, right? Evolution of a Trader by Thomas Walkowski. It's a 3-part book series. It's pretty cool. Is it this one that has divergence? Oh, I'm not sure. Anyways, I think this is the first one. I'm not even sure if it's the first one, but you should check this book out, right? It's a 3-part book series. It like tells it in the story mode, so it's pretty cool. And then it has a lot of data in it, right? Tells you like ins and out, right? Support, resistances. Yeah, it's good reading, dude. If you guys don't like want to get into trading, right? So trying to like see if there's any charts that they're trading support against volume, or divergence against volume. But I don't think it's this one. Anyways, that's it, dude. I just want to say that you should do some reading on some of the Bulkowski books if you're into it. I deleted a few hundred videos the other month. 2 terabytes seems a lot. It really isn't. Yeah, dude, I'm like at 1 terabyte, and I'm filling it up, dude. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Plus that, and I downloaded The Witcher because it was on sale on Steam, and it was like super cheap, dude. It was like less than $10 for The Witcher 3, and with a couple of expansions on it. And since I want to do like sort of like a gaming channel on the side, which I really haven't had time to do, I think this is gonna be one of those games that I download and it's gonna sit on my shelf. Maybe you should delete it. And also have Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, which I haven't even gotten around to play. So, you know, it's insane, dude. Let's go to the 1 hour Fang. Cryptic was talking about the 1 hour, the Rising Brown and Wedge, right? So, right. Dude, that would be a very large wedge. But I guess you're talking about this one, right? I'm not sure if you're anchoring to there or here. And dude, is this what you're looking at, Cryptic, bro? Because I'm not sure what you're looking at. You're not on the Discord, so if you're on Twitter, send me what you're looking at on an image. That way I know exactly what we're talking about. Because this will be the rising broadening wedge that I'm seeing. It looks more like a channel, right? I mean, it is technically broadening, but I'm not even sure where I would consider the touch points for this. It's such a large pattern on the 1 hour, man. That's from the daily. Again, let's see what we have here. 15, 18, right? So first, some hidden bearish, right? That's the first thing I'm looking at. We also have it here. Even here short term, or here short term, right? There we go. Do you have something bullish? I doubt it. Not right now, right? So we had something bullish. Did I anchor this on the 1 hour? Or did I forget to? Nope. See, you wanted to go on the daily, so. Quick cleanup. I know. Dang it, dude. There we go. Dude, so again, bullish, try rally. The bearishness is playing in against the downside, rejecting the 20 right now. So wouldn't be worried if we go lower than this previous low here at whatever this is, 3,900 and change, right? Let's see. 3,986. And with that, we're going to create more negative momentum, and we're not going to have anything, right? Might have something against the RSI. But, yeah. I'm not sure, dude, Cryptic, I'm not sure I can see that rising, what you're talking about, dude. Rising Browning wedge. Yeah, I'm not even sure, like, how far back you're looking at for that rising Browning wedge. I do want to look at it, though. Right. Maybe if I should, like, do a parallel channel. Maybe I get something different. Yeah, could seem like we could do that, right? Support here, rejection. Right, then a lot of rejection at that midline. Finally breaking above, rejection, then holding on to it, hitting that top part, and right now rejecting. Like a rising channel might also have some, like, validity to it, right? Dude, I'm not sure right now. Well, something for the Browning wedge, but I'm not seeing it here. Nothing on Twitter. Wow. Well, a lot of stuff on Twitter, but nothing on Twitter. Yo, yeah. Yep. Awesome. Awesome, bro. Holy snap, dude. Hey, Jake, how does that thing work, dude? You get so many people to retweet that tweet. Why? It's like, they get, like, you put 100, CoinKit Mon 25, 100 DBT, so I'm not sure, dude. Should you give it, like, 25 to 100 people? I'm not sure, dude. I didn't quite get what you did there, but a lot of people retweeted, right? Matthews and 101 others retweeted a tweet I was mentioning. That's pretty legit. So let me know how you did that, or why you did that, or how that's working out, because that's pretty awesome, dude. Thanks so much for that. Much appreciated, bro. Dude, that's it for Fang, I think, dude. I want to check out the RSR real quick. Cryptic, if you're here, man, let me know, and I'll go back to it and check it out the way you want me to check it out. I'm not seeing that rising wedge right now, right? I'm not sure how far back you're going for that rising wedge. I'm not sure if you're going back here, right? Again, if I could get the touch points that you're looking at, that would be amazing, right? I would be looking at the same picture, but let's check out RSR, and then after that I'll do DVT. DVT, man. DVT. First RSR. RSR going up a little bit today, but very, very little. Again, I'm taking a massive hit up the head with this, dude. Really not enjoying it. I had a strong bullish, still waiting for it to play out, starting to make that positive momentum. Yeah, that positive price action. Not a lot, dude, right? I took a massive hit. I got in at like 31.8028, so, you know, yeah, 0.03128. Taking a massive hit. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour. Again, I was looking for this strong bullish, which we still have. Action to the upside, still waiting to, like, kick off. Even here, short term, we develop even more, right? Like, from here to here. Right, that's it, dude. That move there, right? Then that move there, like that. That move there as well, right? Price action to the upside, right? Oh, RSI history. Is that divergence? On the daily? Yeah, dude, because it hasn't been trading for that much, right? And the daily considers 14-day periods, right? Look at that 14 there. That's how many periods it's considering for this. Yeah. So we have bullish price action to the upside. Maybe retest that 20, dude. Again, I'm not too confident with this project now. Let's go to the 1 hour. Bullish action to the upside. Rejected the 20. Sorry, try to break the 20 again. Reject it and try to break the 20 again. And it looks like we might want to hold on to that right now. Here, did we go lower? Yeah, I think we went slightly lower. I'll zoom in here. If we didn't go lower, then I would post that we had type 2 bullish for price action to the upside, right? That would be what I would be saying maybe. And again, moving up, right? Moving down, hitting that support at the 20 right now, once, twice. Failing to take off, not what we want to see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 7, slightly higher. Also here, I was looking for divergence. We do have some, right? High to lower high. See, now all the other lines I placed now they're gonna be because they wanted to go on the 1 hour also. Yay, on the 4 hour. There we go. Let's anchor here real quick. Let's anchor here real quick, sir. Right, that move. Now we're going from a lower point to a higher point, right? And also here, a lower point to a higher point. So I would say that we have some hidden bullish, sorry, hidden bearish, potential action to the downside. That's where we're getting that red candle stalling happening. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands, right? But not too tight. We're still able to expand it. Yo. So that's RSR. Let's go check out DVT, man. Why not? Let's do DVT, man. What DVT at? 7 sats, 7.1 sats. Let's just refresh this real quick, right? Let's see if we can get this to work properly. There we go. I want to indicators. RSI. MACD. Dude, music got like super violent with metal. Let's put something else. Again, it's on random, right? That's why. Again, we had bearish divergence. I'm not sure if we called this one out yesterday. Maybe not. But look at that. High, higher high. Hey. High on our side to a low point. On their side. Oh no. And the same story here against the MACD. Oh no. Bearish divergence moving down. So not a lot happening since, right? Low. Tim low coming in lower and more negative movement. Sorry about that. Here we're creating some kind of bullish divergence. Type 2 bullish divergence, right? Like that. So medium bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We're trying to, but failing to take off right now. Sitting here, right? Not a lot of action in the last couple hours, but yeah, it's fine. So we had the bearish pushing down again, strong bearish. Now we have type 2 bullish or medium bullish trying to come to the upside, right? Let's go to. We also have that here, right? On the other side, I just forgot to call that. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what we got there. I'm out of beer. Moving on to water. Right on. So high, higher high, higher high, right? Even from here, we're going higher, more higher, and everything's higher, right? I'm not seeing anything bearish here. Also, not seeing anything bullish. There's really no reason why we couldn't try to go higher and then create some bearish divergence and maybe move down. Right now, sitting neutral at bought at 60.30 on that RSI. Let's go to the daily. Again, also on the daily, we're starting to create Weak bearish, right? Low or negative momentum, positive momentum to more positive momentum. On the RSI, I believe we're fine. Let's see, 68, 68, 60, and this is 58, 60, and this is 56, right? So slightly less. But just against the MACD, right? We're starting to make this move, right? This hidden bearish divergence that we could create and could give us at least some stalling continuation, maybe moving down a little bit. I also want to see how this is going to play out here. Really curious on this move. And the MACD doesn't give me values, right? It just shows a 0. So I'm just trying to pinpoint it, like on eyesight on the MACD. We might be creating, we're creating that hidden bearish, right? So yeah, there we go. It's gonna wait for DVT, man. Again, hidden bearish potential movement down on the shorter time scale. So we're looking at a little bearish with bullish on the last call, right on the last couple hours. So let's see if we get that movement up again. 4 hours not showing much. Daily, like I said, hidden bearish. So yeah, dude, I think we covered every request we had so far. Does anyone want to look at anything in particular? Let me know. Does anyone want to look at something? Last chance. Otherwise, we're going to move on. Well, you guys come up with something. I'll just go back and look at, what we haven't done yet. Gold, silver, and the rest of all the other stuff we look at. So, silver below 20, right? Moving down. Not a lot happening. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to form. We might get an explosive move. Again, that's about it there on silver. Let's go to gold again. Tightness of the Bollinger Band is below the 20 right now, right? It looks like we might have we could have been wanting to break out of this triangle again. Last thing we had was the hidden bullish playing to the upside, or strong bullish. Sorry guys, hidden bullish, sorry. That's what we had, right? Slightly higher, there we go. Moving to the upside, we did get it again. It was very briefly leaved, so not a lot. Sitting at $1,938. The S&P down 15 points. What? Why? Why is S&P going down, right? We had hidden bullish again, rejecting the 20 for the second day in a row. Nikkei up 20 points, but still lower than the previous high. Last thing we called was strong bullish, right? Sorry, strong bearish. So let's go to Toronto, down 135 points, rejecting it at 20. Right, last thing we had was hidden bullish. London, what's happening with London? So Uniswap letting people claim tokens. I'm not sure, dude. I haven't looked at as of tonight, and Ethereum network is getting clogged up. Wow, I hadn't looked at DXY. Yeah, we're gonna look at DXY, dude. How about Link? Yeah, we're gonna look at Link as well. Again, London, right? Bearish, moving down. We moved that yesterday. How about, let's go US 30, right? That's the Dow Jones Live. Hit at 20, rejecting, moving down right now. Dude, tomorrow might open red for the Dow. Yesterday managed to gain 36 points, but still close below that 20. So again, that 20 proving to be a resistance right now. And neutral at 52.78 on the other side. Let me just do oil real quick, and I'll just be done with this. What's happening with Brent oil, right? Again, that hidden bullish, moving up. Not even getting to a 20 right now. Starting to move down a little bit. $41.70, again, expansion of the Bollinger Bands. 20, it will be the next resistance that we look at. West Texas, again, same movement, but this one did manage to hit that 20, right? And rejecting it and moving slightly lower. Still live, by the way. Apparently. Is it live but delay? Yeah, market open. Yeah, 1 update per second. It's live, actually. So moving down, right? Again, on that, we're sitting neutral at 48.07. and wait for it to like really do something else, right? We had the hidden bullish playing us to the upside, and you know, see if we're gonna keep on rejecting or get above that area. That's it for West Texas. Okay, so we had the DXY, so let's go DXY. We're like calling for this kind of like downsloping channel just to highlight the trend. It seems like we're breaking it right now. Sideways motion, starting to get that movement to the upside on a bounce off the 20, which is okay. Again, we're looking for this bearishness here. We're still lower than the previous high. All right, look at that. That's higher, right? High, lower high. So there's really nothing bearish yet, I think. So let me see here, 53, 72, and 54. So yeah, we do have something here. Some hidden bearish starting to develop, right? So from here and here to here. That's the only thing I have here on DXY, right? A potential movement down on that hidden bearish, but again, I would be really waiting for this to finish developing and see if we're going to manage to have this breakout and hold on to that bounce from the 20, right? Last thing we had was bearish. Here short term, we had some strong bullish, right? Waiting for that to play off and determine whether or not that strong bullish divergence died out. If we can gain more here, right? Again, on the weekly or the monthly, we looked at stuff. I'm not sure. On the monthly, we had hidden bullish, right? So again, potential for that movement to the upside. That's DXY, dude, in a short bit. Let's go look at Link. Alright, so Link. What's happening with Link? Right, below, or hitting that 50% right now. Trying to hold it as support. That's great. Dude, let's see. Rejected that 382. We knew we were going to test that. We rejected, moving down. We knew we were looking for support there. We were finding support low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low on their side, higher on their side. Nothing there. Neutral at 40.16, right? It's sitting at $10.91, by the way. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the strong bearish moving down on that again on the shorter time scales, breaking below that 236 after hitting. And I even said we might hit this area, right, and still create that and move down. So look, we beautifully went up here, and we still managed to hit that 382 and broke down from there, right? So that's great. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low on their side, higher on their side, right? Short times, short scale here. Start to create some bullish on the 4 hour. From here to here, that would be one of the points. And from here to here, and from here to here, right? Again, strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, getting that movement up. Rejection of the 20, rejection actually of the 236, right? So nothing wrong there. Might have gone up too quickly. Again, strong bullish still in play, so we could try to get another go there. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour. Right, look at that. Low. Alright, we had bullish divergence. We managed to rally on that. Low, lower, low. Right. What is this? 102.08, right? So, negative. Less negative, right? So, strong bullish potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI. Moving up, rejecting it 21s twice. Failing to go lower, and that we're launching again, right? On that movement higher, though. 60763. So, high to low, right? And low to high, right? So we have... Oh no, I forgot to anchor the other stuff. What are we going to do? Right, so we know we have strong bearish right now. Let's see if that's going to come into play. That's moving us down right now, actually. Bringing us below the 20. Not what we want to see. We want to hold on to that 20 moving average, right? We want to be able to hold on to that and get above it. If we don't, we could be looking for lower areas of value. And again, rejection of a node here, right? We made a valid retrace, and now we're rejecting it. We could be targeting... we already made a retrace, right? A valid one, so we could be targeting lower areas of value. It looks here like, I mean, if I zoom out, it looks like we kind of triple topped, right? Like once, twice, 3 times, and moving lower, again, rejection continuously. But if I zoom in, I think we're looking at different areas of value, right? So every like this is low, this is slightly higher, and then slightly lower. I think I might have missed this one here a while back. So high to a lower high, and then coming in from a low point, or even here a low point, to a higher point, right? So some hidden bearish also. That's about it though, right? We did have the short-term bearish and that moving down coming in, so strong bearish nonetheless. That's it for Link. Check out the Bitcoin real quick, see where it's at, dude. Where's the Bitcoin at? Moving down, breaking below 20. Oh no, we're rejected. Open at 20, move farther down. Oh no, what are we gonna do, man? Like I said, maybe a retest of 10,800, right? I mean, I'm not worried yet. Like I said, that movement was probably going to come in, and maybe that retest is going to be valid. We're going to see if we hold on there. Again, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. Nothing there on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, again, bearish divergence, right? Strong action to downside. That retest here, and if we fail there, retest of the 20 on the 4 hour. On the daily, again, not a lot going on, right? We talked about maybe retesting this area. That's about it. So, not a lot going on, dude. Yo, Nav, how's it going, bro? Ethereum doing things and stuff, finally? Yeah, dude, Ethereum doing stuff, but, you know, talked about that yesterday, and today, but we'll do that again real quick. Thank you for being here, Nav. Again, hidden bullish, not a lot happening here. Hidden 20, rejection, hidden 20 to 20, rejection again. Hidden 20 and rejecting slightly. Holding beautifully to that support at $364. Not a lot happening on the daily, just neutral at 50.04. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, a very quick run through Ethereum again. Low, higher, low, negative, more negative, right? Hidden bullish, we tried to rally, failed to go higher than the previous high, broke down, and low, slightly lower low, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower, nothing bullish. Again, but rallying, holding on to support here at 364, right? On the shorter time scales, we had stuff. The 1 hour, right? Look, bearish, right? Hidden bearish, we moved down, and then strong bullish. That helped us to rally here. Getting above this area, right, and then beautifully taking a bounce here at support at that $364 area, taking that bounce and starting to consolidate, right? We need to wait for consolidation to happen. Sitting bought at 62.38 with nothing bearish happening here, right? High, lower high, positive, less positive, high on the RSI, lower on the RSI. 67.36 and 66.94, right? So again, nothing bearish, dude. The bullishness is still in effect. They're moving down from here. Maybe hit that 20. I'm not seeing anything else though. That is a very quick run through Ethereum in like record speed. I'm sure I didn't miss anything because I just went too quick. But yeah, that's about it. Seems about right. No lower. Oh, yeah, that's all good, dude. Yep, that's it, dude. All right, very run through Ethereum. Now, dude, I'm sorry, man. I think I'm just gonna call it a stream for tonight, guys. Well, I've enjoyed being here for an hour and 30 minutes, almost an hour and 27 minutes. There's stuff I need to take care of. So, Family House. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, right? And then tomorrow's back to work, and I have a lot of stuff I gotta finish doing, so. Yo! Anyways, yeah, dude. Thanks for joining me, man, and thanks for being here. I think we broke 245 subs today, so it's a very, very good stream. I'm super happy. I'm not sure if we're gonna break more, records this week. I do hope we get to at least 245, 250. 250 would be an amazing area to be at. Thanks, Jill Torian, thanks for running us from, yeah, dude, no worries, dude, Steve, thanks, man, no worries, Nav, yeah, great night, y'all, thank y'all for being here. It's a pleasure hosting you guys here at the State of Crypto for Reals. I hope you had a great time. I hope you find the content entertaining. I hope you find it educational, and if you want to, share this content with any of your people that you might know that might be interested in this channel, I would appreciate it very much. I really want to grow this community more. Thank you all for being here again. That's going to be up for tonight. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, please. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of The State of Crypto. Until then.